Researchers at Stanford University have announced that they have created a new way of producing hydrogen from ocean water. Scientists have shown a new way to separate hydrogen and oxygen gas from seawater using electricity. The team notes that existing water separation methods require highly purified water. In California, water is scarce and the state is in a drought and it barely has enough water for critical needs, such as drinking and cooking, and it is not possible to use purified water. Hydrogen is attractive as a fuel source for cars and other needs because it does not produce carbon dioxide when it is burned, it only produces water. The researchers created a proof-of-concept demonstration and leave it up to manufacturers to scale the system to mass production. The concept uses electrolysis, a process to divide water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Hydrogen exits at the negative end with oxygen at the positive end. While seawater is abundant in California, chloride negatively charged in seawater corrodes the positive end and limits the life of the system.